Hello, Topilots. Good evening. It's now evening here at Clark. I'm at Clark right now. We have a flight going to Australia today, and then 3 days from now, I think 3 days from now, we'll be flying from Australia back here to Clark. So it's going to be a deadhead flight for us going to Clark, and then operating kami na crew coming back. Wala kaming pasahero. Ang gagawin lang namin is to ferry the aircraft. And this is going to be probably my longest flight in my flying career. And for those of you who are wondering why we are flying to Australia, kung hindi nyo alam, because of the pandemic, maraming mga cancellations ng flight. And hindi lahat ng eroplano na-utilize. So, para ma-preserve yung eroplano, karamihan sa mga airline companies sa buong mundo, dinadala nila sa storage facility yung mga eroplano nila. Kasi hindi naman lahat nagagamit. So, yung mga storage facilities na yan, sa mga eroplano na hindi pa i-retire ha, yung gusto lang temporary na storage, karamihan yan nasa disyerto. So, let's go! Okay guys, ready na tayo. Let's go! Doon pala sa mga nagtatanong bakit sa desert nilalagay yung mga eroplano kung i-storage. Kasi kapag sa desert, yun yung ideal location dahil mababa yung humidity, mababa yung rainfall, tapos wala masyadong vegetation, so yung mga insekto hindi masyadong namamahay sa mga paligid. So yun yung mga dahilan bakit preferred nila na ilagay sa desert yung mga storage ng mga eroplano. Kung titingnan niyo sa Google Earth, makikita niyo yan sa Mojave Desert, sa Tucson, Arizona, yan may mga aircraft boneyard diyan. So yun yung yung ideal condition na meron para ma-preserve yung eroplano. Guys, busy kami lahat. Ito ang aming poging captain na magdadala sa
Anyong.
Captain Benzi, papunta kami. Siya magdadala sa amin papuntang Australia.
Kamusta po sila?
Busy ang lahat sa pag-ano ng mga papeles. Ayan. Soy, kompleto na pa papeles?
Kulang
Ikaw kaya magdadala sa amin.
Kailangan mag-ano sir eh.
Ha?
Kailangan may lagay daw sir eh. Para makompleto eh.
Hi guys, nasa aeroplano na kami. And kung makikita nyo, sarili namin yung aeroplano. Kami lang pasahero, bali 10 kaming piloto. Yung dalawa sila magdadala ng aeroplano papuntang Alice Springs. Tapos kami namang 8 pasahero. Hinihingal pa ako. Layo kasi na nilakad namin. Tapos ang bigat pa ng bags. Tapos yun, sa 31 lilipad naman kami. Bale kaming lahat lilipad kami papalik naman dito sa Clark. So bale 5 eroplano yung kukunin namin sa Alice Springs na storage doon. Dadalhin namin sila dito ulit sa Manila para gamitin natin sa paglipad dito, domestic and regional flights. Yan ang boss ko. Sir Lloyd Casanova, siya ang immediate boss ko.
Ayos ah.
Para may document tayo, sir.
Ayos, approve.
Hi guys, good morning. We are currently over Australia and it will take about 1.5 hours pa ulit bago makarating kami sa Alice Springs. So this is going to be my first time actually to be in Australia, and probably this is the only time na makaka-vlog ako habang lumilipad yung eroplano, na kasi hindi ako yung lumilipad ngayon sa eroplano, deadhead lang kami.
Friend, good morning. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, good morning. Morning, sir.
Promise ko sa yung takip siya. Sir, ngayon lang ako makakaan dito dahil hindi ako operating.
Yeah.
Ano din natin? Yes, sir.
Morning na.
Guys, siya ang immediate boss ko, si Sir Lord.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Wanna go? I am all about adventure times.
500. 100 above. 400. Minimum 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Okay guys, nakarating na kami sa Alice Springs. Dito kami magkikita-kita kasi mamaya pag nasa hotel na kami, hindi na kami magkikita-kita. Quarantine na kami. Ayan, bawal lumabas sa hotel pala. So ayan, sama ko si Carl. Of course, ang bossing namin, Sir Lord.
Doors may be open.
Yung iba nandun. Yeah. Guys, kita nyo yung mga aeroplano na nakastock. Ayun, dami. Yan. dami. Cathay Pacific, Singapore Airlines, Scoot, dami. Okay mga topilots, naglalakad na kami papunta sa, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero palabas na kami ng ramp area. Okay, meron na tayong camera. Kanina kasi cellphone lang ginagamit ko kasi natatakot ako baka sitahin ako eh. Pero nandito na sa labas yan. Pasakay na kami ng shuttle namin. Parang maliit yung shuttle namin para sa aming 10. Is, nakasakay na kami, papunta kaming hotel. Eto kaming lahat. Ayan sila sir. Dito kami magkikita-kita kasi pag nasa hotel na kami, hindi na kami magkikita-kita lahat. And we have, excuse me sir, what's your name? What's your name?
Bruce.
Cruz. Ayan, siya
Even
yung driver
if
namin.
you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Okay guys. I'm not in my room. So, sinabihan kami na once pumasok na kami sa room, hindi na kami pwedeng lumabas. We'll be staying here for 2 days. So, today is the 29th. On the 31st, we will fly back to Manila. I mean to Clark. It's going to be Alice Spring to Clark. So, pagpasok ko sa room, meron kaming kit. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga nasa loob. Pero may mga instructions daw dito. So, tignan natin. Ang pinakauna kong kailangan malaman, syempre, Wi-Fi. Free of charge. There are times when the service may be intermittent due to nature of location. Log into, yun ang pinakaunang gusto kong malaman. Yung password ng Wi-Fi. Yay! Meron na! Ay, wala pa. Sana meron na. Tagal ah. May tumawag sa akin. Tinatanong kung ano raw gusto kong kainin. Galing nila dito. Alam ka agad nila kung anong gusto ko. Wi-Fi at saka pagkain. Kaso nasan yung menu? Sabi naman kasi ito. Where's the menu? Where's the menu? Nakita ko na rin yung menu sa wakas. Nasa kasama lang pala ng mga bond papers. Menu, breakfast and dinner. Ay, lunch. Hi, good morning. Somebody called me asking me for my breakfast and lunch. What do you suggest? You're asking for lunch and dinner? So, I'll have the strip loin steak, medium rare. And butter chicken. Thank you.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.